I'm on a boat, not catching fish, my trailer snapped in half. All right, y'all, we're at the boat ramp, and I'm dirty and soaked for a couple reasons. One is it's super low tide right now. When I was backing the boat up, clear off the thing here. When I was backing the boat up, it's super low tide. I've never dropped the boat in at low tide. Apparently there's a big hole somewhere around right there. And when I was backing the trailer into the water, it falls into that deep hole. Only I don't realize it because this water is black as night. And so when it drops into the hole, the boat, I guess I didn't have it strapped to the trailer still, so it floats off out there. I have to dive into the water to go get it, jump in the boat from inside the water, big old fish over there, drive it back to the boat ramp, or to the dock. So that's problem number one. Problem number two, I get in the boat, I get in my truck to pull the trailer out, I'm stuck. I hear a large snap when I'm trying to pull out, and I have to get into the water again to see if I can nudge it loose because it's stuck. When I go to nudge it loose, I realize I'm holding one part of the trailer but not the other part of the trailer. So what happened to the rest of the trailer? Well, it broke in half. My trailer broke in half, so now my boat's in the water and I don't have a way to get it out, and so I am rushing to offer up, let go, Facebook Marketplace to find a trailer so I can get my boat out the water before sundown. And I'm not gonna let this ruin my day. I'm still gonna go fishing. But if you're asking where's my trailer now, it's in the back of my truck. So it broke right here. Old rusty trailer. I knew it was a matter of time. It just sucks that when I finally get to take it out again, it snaps on me. So that's how we started the day. But hopefully I can find something on some of these platforms and get myself a new trailer so I can get my boat out of here. This place closes at 5. I'll get a ticket for staying after. Looks like I'm getting a ticket because I don't see this happening. But you know what? This is not going to ruin my day. You know, I work hard so I can play hard. This is not the type of play hard that I had in mind, but we're going to make things happen. I better catch a fish after all this. But if not, it's still a beautiful day, beautiful sky. That sucks. Now water's cold and it's 65 degrees right now. It's supposed to warm up to 76. So, what a morning. I can't believe my trailer snapped in half. I'm talking to a guy on Facebook Marketplace about getting a boat trailer for, a painful $500, who's all the way over in Largo. Well, parked at Goat Island, waiting for the guy to respond. Remember last time we built that shelter? It tried to survive. There it is. We're not getting any bites here, and so I'm going to move on. Woo. Shallow. But we out here. Just waiting for the guy to tell me when he's coming with the trailer so I can go back and get it. He's actually gonna drop it off, which is fantastic. I'm gonna go a little further out since it's a calm day. I almost never get out here when the water is like this. I don't know how far I'm gonna go, just because other boats are still gonna be speeding along. Woo! Rough start to the day, but what a beautiful day. Calm water. I'm pumped to be outside, y'all. That was a big old stingray. Hey, buddy. It's really shallow out here, y'all. We're a ways out. We're not actually out that far. See, that's still mangroves and stuff right there. It'd be nice to go out there. I don't know if you can see how shallow it is, but it's shallow for a long time. I'd have to go all through. Oh, there's the Skyway. Tampa. Or I'm sorry, that's St. Pete right there. I don't know if you can see the sun dome. Probably not on camera, but it is. It is what it is. I'm on a boat, not catching fish, my trailer snapped in half. Might be casting over there. So basically this whole little cove I'm in is shallow like this. I'm just drifting around, casting to the mangroves. There doesn't seem really to be anything in here. Oh boy, I tried to get a video for you guys. It's been a while since I've been out on the boat. Oh boy. Let's just keep seeing what we can do. Oh, there's fish over there. I'm really now just out here trying to relax. This issue with the trailer is bummed me out just a little bit. Just a little bit. The guy's gonna deliver the trailer. It's gonna cost 530 bucks. And hopefully it fits the boat. And if it does, hopefully it fits in my garage. The last trailer that just snapped was cutting it close in terms of fitting in there. And so if it doesn't fit in there, I don't think I can afford to pay storage. And so this boat is either A, going to fit in the garage, or B, it's going to get sold. I don't really know what else to do. It's still a great day, still a beautiful day. It's a hot day, but it's a beautiful hot day. And so we're going to keep hanging out. We'll keep boating around. There's a ton of boats on the water. That's why I came in from the bay, because the chop is not bad at all. There's almost no chop, but there's a lot of boats far bigger than mine that are just rocking this boat like crazy with their wake. And I don't expect them to be super considerate because it's, you know, it's open water. And so I just don't have the boat for it. So we're gonna putt around and see what we can do.